how to change the VoiceOver Braille output or input to unified, uncontracted, or contracted, or 8 dot. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then go down and tap on VoiceOver. Next, tap on Braille and select either output or input. So select output or input. From here, you can choose between English Unified Uncontracted System or English Unified Contracted or English 8 dot system. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key. Now you can do the same for input as well, so select one of the available options. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.